Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can report a comment on Instagram. Maybe you have maybe you encounter some hate speech or bullying on a comment on someone post in Instagram. So and you decide to report it. So here for example, let's open one of the comments and let's try for example you can hold the comment and tap to report, and here Instagram will ask you why are you reporting this comment. Your report is anonymous. If someone is in immediate danger, call the local emergency services, don't wait. So here you have to give a reason why you report this comment. So you can answer like no reason, just don't like it. You can choose this one. Or there is a bullying, you can choose bullying or unwanted contact, or like suicide, self-injury, or eating disorder. You can choose this reason. Hate speech or symbols, violence or exploitation, selling or promoting restricted items, nudity or sexual activities, scam, fraud, or spam, or false information. So you have to choose the reason. For example, I just don't like it. And here Instagram will give you like a question, don't want to see this. So Instagram use this report to show you less of this kind of content in the future. Even you can choose other step that you can take, like block the person, restrict the person that comments. And here you can learn more about the community standard of Instagram. So after that you can tap done. And here if you tap on notification, there is a support request from March, for example from March 15, was just update. So here there is a violation that you reported, and also the first one is a report. These are report you submit on Instagram and Thread. You can tap it. So this is like history of your reports. So maybe you report some people, some comments, your report will be listed in here. So if you tap one of the report, Instagram will give you feedback like this account was not removed. We use combination of technology and human reviewer to process reports and identify content that goes against community standards. So in this case, Instagram did not remove the account you reported, so you can see the details here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.